Hello, students. Welcome to Kenny's Educare, a group of Kenny Solutions. Today, we will be starting with lesson number 22, which is the growth and personality development. Growth मतलब do you know what do you mean by growth? Suppose आपकी height इतनी थी, आपने ये वॉल पे मार्क किया हुआ है, ओके? When you were 5 years old, तभी आपकी हाइट आपने जब वॉल पे मार्क की थी वो इतनी थी. एंड नाउ यू आर 8 years old एंड जो आपने मार्किंग की है स्टिल दैट इज ऑन द वॉल. एंड जब आप कंपेयर करोगे तो आपकी हाइट जो है वो इतनी बड़ी हो चुकी होगी व्हेन यू आर 8 years ऑफ ओल्ड. सो जो आपकी हाइट इंक्रीज हुई है दैट इज द ग्रोथ पैटर्न. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रोथ होना. एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट? पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आप कैसे रह रहे हो, विच टाइप ऑफ क्लोथ्स यू आर वेयरिंग, विच ब्रांड यू आर वेयरिंग. ये सारी चीज़ें पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट में नहीं आती. पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट मतलब द वे यू आर स्पीकिंग, द वे यू आर टॉकिंग टू समवन, द वे यू आर डिलीवरिंग योर स्पीच. आप दूसरे से कैसे बिहेव कर रहे हो, कैसे बात कर रहे हो. Okay, so this all things are included in this personality development. And this lesson you will come to know more about growth and personality development, and you will be able to know the exact meaning of personality development and how you should develop your personality. Okay, because building a personality development is very much important. Okay, so to get ahead in your life, to get a better position ahead in your life, the thing that is going to help you is only your personality development. Okay, so just this is your age, this is the correct age where you should think about personality development and you should start implementing it in your life. इम्प्लीमेंटिंग करना मतलब क्या? आपको खुद के लाइफ में वो सारी चीज़ें जब आप अभी से लाओगे, सो द मूवमेंट व्हेन यू विल मूव आउट ऑफ योर स्कूल, you will come up with a better person, a better human being. Okay, so this lesson will give you all the knowledge how to develop your personality development and everything. Okay, so let's start with the lesson by recalling with one of the question, that is, do the clothes and shoes you wore as a baby fit you now? Yes, see, suppose this was you. Okay, this was you and you was a small baby. So when you were a small baby of just 1 year old, you might be having the clothes of that and the shoes of yours at that time. Will it fit you now? No, right? Now, as can you see in this picture, if you're a boy or if you're a girl, see, if you're a boy, just imagine yourself as this one. And when he grew up more, he became like this. And then when he became old, he became like this. If you are a girl, just look yourself like this. You were like this, then you grew up like this, like this. So here what changes can you observe? Our body is growing, right? Growth is one of the characteristic of living organism, है ना? जो living organism होते हैं उनका एक characteristic growth भी होता है. Non living जैसे कि ball हो गया, बॉल का ग्रोथ होता है क्या? नहीं, राइट? एंड दैट इज वाई द बॉल इज अ नॉन लिविंग नॉन लिविंग थिंग. दिस इज हाउ वी डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन लिविंग थिंग एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग. ओके, तो जो हमारे पहले के कपड़े होते हैं, शूज होता है, वो सब क्या होता है? दे बिकम स्मॉल फॉर अस बिकॉज आर बॉडी ग्रोज. हमारे लेग्स का साइज इंक्रीज होता है तो द शूज का साइज भी इंक्रीज हो जाता है, राइट? द क्लोथ्स दैट यू वेयर, आपका फेवरेट क्लोथ है नाउ बिकॉज यू हैव ग्रोन अप, आपका वो फेवरेट क्लोथ यू कैन नॉट वेयर इट बिकॉज नाउ दैट हैज बिकम शॉर्ट, right? So this is what we call as growth. So now I think so that you are clear with this term, what is growth. And आप सबने ये experience किया होगा ना. Suppose you know I had a one of the red color dress which was my favorite dress. Now because I have grown up, okay, because I have grown up, the dress is now short for me and I cannot wear it. Okay, so this happens with all of us, and everyone might have experienced this. The shoes, the favorite shoes that you had is now not fitting your legs because you have grown up. So this is called as the growth phase of your life. Okay, so being such a small baby, to being a old man or a woman is what we call as the growth. Okay, see, you have to try this. You have to read the information about yourself which you have entered in your report card, and you have to fill in the following table. You might be having your previous report cards in which height and weight of yours might be mentioned. So you have to collect the information from your report card and you have to see the difference. You have to write the height that you had in standard 1, then what was your height when you went in standard 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and now what is your height and weight. This you have to check, and when you will be doing this you will be shocked, because in first standard, if your height might be, suppose any of the number, okay, your height might have increased a lot now, right? So this is what we call as the growth phase. Okay, you have to try this. Okay, so all living things, I told you living thing have different characteristics. Can you all tell me which are the characteristics? See, growth is one of the characteristic of living thing. Digestion, you can include excretion, respiration. Respiration, digestion we have studied in the last class, right? Then reproduction. This are the characteristic of living thing. तो अगर suppose आपको पता करना है whether any of the object or any of the thing is living thing or non living thing, you have to see whether वो living thing के अंदर growth हो रहा है क्या, whether digestion process हो रहा है क्या, respiration process हो रहा है क्या, रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस हो रहा है क्या. अगर ये सारे प्रोसेसेस उनमें हो रहे हैं, इट मीन्स दे आर लिविंग थिंग. अगर ये सारे प्रोसेसेस नहीं हो रहे हैं, इट मीन्स दे आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल नॉन लिविंग थिंग का इफ आई गिव यू एग्जांपल, बुक हो गया. बुक का ग्रोथ होता है क्या? बुक में डाइजेशन प्रोसेस होता है, रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस होता है? नहीं होता है, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल नॉन लिविंग थिंग. बुक के बाद यू कैन टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ टेबल, योर पेंसिल. Okay, these are all non-living thing because they do not grow, they do not reproduce, they do not do respiration process as well, right? So all living things, they eat and grow physically. Physically मतलब आपका height grow करता है, तो physically हम उसको देख सकते हैं that you have grown up now, right? So living things जो है they eat and then they grow up physically, and similarly we too grow in height and weight from the birth टू अडल्टहुड. ठीक है, तो जब हमारा बर्थ होता है उससे लेके अडल्टहुड यू कैन से 18 to 21 years ऑफ एज. ओके, वो टाइम तक हमारा जो हाइट है एंड वेट है दे बोथ इंक्रीजेस, एंड यू विल सी दिस ऑल्सो from the information that your friends enter about themselves. So you have to just check with your friends the information that you have entered and what your friends have entered might be somewhat similar. Okay, so some of them will be more than you in height or weight while some will be less, right? The people around us, अभी आपके ही एज ग्रुप के आपके ही फ्रेंड्स, कुछ की हाइट जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी है, कुछ की नॉर्मल है, कुछ की शॉर्ट है, किसी का वेट बहुत ज़्यादा है, किसी का बहुत कम है, राइट? सो दिस आर द डिफरेंसेस दैट वी सी, बट दे विल all have gained in height and weight since they were in standard 1 or 2. पर जो भी है, अगर उनकी हाइट बड़ी भी है, छोटी भी है, वेट कम है, ज़्यादा है, व्हाटसोएवर में बी, पर उनकी हाइट जो है और वेट जो है दे हैव इंक्रीज्ड ओनली. स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट से लेके 5th तक उनकी हाइट एंड वेट इंक्रीज हुई होगी. नो वन विल बी देयर जिसकी हाइट डिक्रीज हुई होगी. ओके, this is because the first 18 years are the growing years for all boys and girls. 18 years के होने तक you all grow with respect to height. Weight तो कभी भी बढ़ सकता है, right? So this first 18 years, these are called as the growing years for you all. Okay, whether be it a boy or be it a girl, 18 years तक सारे grow होने ही हैं because this is the growing years. After you complete your 18 years, your height doesn't grow. Okay, can you tell me, can an infant feed itself? What do you mean by infant? Infant means baby. Baby can feed itself. जो बेबी होता है वो खुद से खाना खा सकता है क्या? No, right? So the baby cannot feed itself. Second question is, can a 2-year-old child fold the clothes neatly? Have you seen small childs working? No, right? They cannot do anything. So they cannot fold the clothes neatly. So, can you tell me when do they learn to do this task by of feeding themselves and folding the clothes neatly? When they will learn this task? When they will grow up, when they are 8 to 10 years of old, right? That time they can feed themselves as well as they can fold the clothes neatly. So, which of the following things have you learned to do, and which ones have you yet to learn? So, there are some of the list. See, this is the list. You have to tell me what things you have learned and which are the ones that you are yet to learn. You have not learned yet, okay? And you have to name the things you can do which are not seen in the list. So apart from the list, what are the things that you can do? Okay, so this is the list. Have you learned how to skip on a rope? Skipping, रस्सी उड़ी बोलते हैं ना. Have you learned that? Some might have, some might not, right? Have you learned writing an essay? Some might have, some might not. Combing your own hair. Everyone might have learned how to comb your own hair, right? Then making tea. You might be knowing the process how you should make the tea, पर मम्मा ने आपको अभी तक बनाने नहीं दिया होगा, right? So, no. Learning a song or a poem. We start this when we are in nursery, right? Some might have learned swimming, some might have not. Telling a story. We all are very good at telling a story. So we all have learned telling a story. Cycling, some might have, some might not. Giving a speech, you all give a good speech, so I'll take it. Okay. Have you learned counting money? You are learning counting numbers. So some of you might be knowing counting money till 100 rupees. है ना? Then tidying your house. Have you learned how to keep your house clean? Yes, then using a computer, playing the game fields you might have learned. Climbing a tree also some of you might have learned, some might not, right? So these are the activities that we learn from the very small age till we grow up. And there are various things to learn. Okay? Learning can never end. Even when you become old, then also there are many things that you can learn. Okay? So it's a huge concept. Now can you all name the things that was not in the list, but you can do that? There might be many games. You might be knowing how to play badminton, right? Many of you might be good at playing table tennis. You might have learned this, right? Many of you might be loving how to skating, how to play the skating. So there are many games which are not mentioned here, but you know, because you all are very smart, I know, right? And many of us love playing online games, na PUBG. Then there are many games which have come up, and we childrens, we are engaged in that only, and we are not going on the field to play, which is very bad. Okay, you can make a timetable and you can adjust your timing so that you can play on your mobile phone also, and you can play on the playground also, because playing an outdoor game is very important for personality development. Okay, because when you go out you meet many of your friends, Hannah, and you talk to them, you get to know so many things, you play with them, you make friends, right? So we should always go and play outdoor. Okay, see, this is an important thing. It's not the clothes, it's not the hair, it's not the looks, it's not the appearance. Clothes मतलब वो कपड़े नहीं है, वो hairs नहीं है, वो looks नहीं है, वो appearance नहीं है. It's the personality that get to know me. ठीक है? No one will know you by the clothes you wear. No one will know you by the hairs you have. No one will know you by the looks you have. No one will know you from your appearance. Okay, if someone remembers you, it means you are having a good personality. If someone is remembering your clothes, it means they liked your clothes and not you. So you should be a kind of person where everyone loves to talk to you, everyone is impressed with you. Okay, now it is also said that we should not live our life to impress other. After all, it's our life, right? And we can live it any way we want. But the thing it is telling in this para is कि क्लोथ से हमें कोई नहीं पहचानता, हमारे हेयर से हमें कोई नहीं पहचानता, लुक्स और अपीयरेंस से कोई नहीं पहचानता, बट पीपल नो अस बिकॉज ऑफ द पर्सनालिटी दैट वी imbibe. Okay, see, the next topic is the skills and efficiency, and I know you all are having different skills and efficiency, and you will achieve it, right? So small babies cannot do anything for themselves, है ना? When we are small, we don't know anything, and we are fully dependent on mama and papa for everything, है ना? So if they need something, they can only cry and beat about with their legs and arms. So if small baby needs something or they are having certain pain, what they can do, they can only cry for that thing, or they can beat you with the legs and the arms, and with that you come to know that they need something. But soon they begin to get control over some of their movements and develop coordination between different movements. ठीक है, एंड जैसे जैसे उनमें ग्रोथ होती है, व्हाट हैपेंस, उनको अपने मूवमेंट्स कंट्रोल करने आ जाता है एंड उनके बीच में कोऑर्डिनेशन डेवलप हो जाता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल, they learn to turn their head and look at something they choose. And when they grow up, when they are 1 to 2 years old, they will just point out at the thing they want. They will turn their head and they will tell you that I want that. So if they recognize someone, they smile. If they know the person in front of them, they will give them a smile. If they don't know, they will start crying, है ना? So they learn to grip and hold things and then to take them forward their mouth. And slowly and steadily what happens, they learn how to eat, how to talk, how to crawl, and we love seeing that. Now we love babies. I love babies very much. So as they learn to control and coordinate their movements on their own, they begin to do several other tasks. For example, picking up things, holding a spoon, hitting it on a plate to make a noise. You might have seen जो small छोटे छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, they like it. वो क्या करते हैं, दे विल टेक द स्पून एंड दे विल हिट इट ऑन द प्लेट, एंड उनका वो जो नॉइज आता है, दे लव डूइंग दैट, राइट? तो वो धीरे धीरे सामान उठाना चालू करेंगे, दे विल स्टार्ट टू क्रॉल, दे विल स्टार्ट टू वॉक, एंड दिस इज हाउ दे लर्न हाउ टू कंट्रोल एंड कोऑर्डिनेट देयर मूवमेंट बाय देमसेल्फ. एंड अचीविंग कंट्रोल ऑफ वंस मूवमेंट टू learn to do something new is called as learning a skill. So if a baby is learning how to walk, so the baby is learning a skill. Okay, if you are learning to play a new game, you are learning a skill. If you are learning how to talk to someone, you are learning a skill, because you are achieving the control of the movement to do something new. Okay, see, if you are learning to play a new game, right? So because that is new and you are going to do something new, that is called as learning a skill. So what does everyone feel when a baby says her first word or takes a step for the first time? What do? See, when the baby speaks for the first time or when the baby takes a steps, everyone becomes so happy because the baby has now learned a new skill of speaking and of walking or crawling. As the baby learns various skills, the baby and everybody is happy, right? We all become happy by seeing the baby taking the step and by talking to us, and we praise the baby, है ना? The baby does the same thing again and again. The baby will now learn every new word. The baby will now learn new skill of identifying the objects. वो आप बोलोगे this is a book, the baby will identify that this is a book, right? Thus she gets a lot of practice with those skills and her strength also builds up. So when the baby does same things again and again, the baby develops the skills and her strength. Okay, and slowly she begins to do the newly learned task more easily without making mistake. So you might have seen जो baby नया नया when they start to talk, the words they say, they are not correct, right? But slowly and steadily what happens, they start to pronounce the words correctly without making any mistake. वो सारे words correctly बोल सकते हैं because now they have got the practice, and that is her efficiency increases. The baby's efficiency increases slowly and slowly as growth takes place inside the baby, and as they start or they learn to control and coordinate the movements of their body. Okay. See, every day we keep learning, right? Being a adult or being a human being, every day we learn new things by making mistakes or by not making mistakes. Okay, that makes it easier to learn new skills. For example, once the child is able to hold something, she can learn to throw a ball. एक बार आपने किसी भी चाइल्ड को सिखा दिया हाउ शी हैज टू होल्ड अ बॉल, तो शी विल इवेंचुअली लर्न कि उसको बॉल को थ्रो कैसे करना है. ओके. आफ्टर लर्निंग टू वॉक द चाइल्ड लर्न्स टू डू मोर डिफिकल्ट थिंग्स. वंस शी हैव स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग, अब थोड़े टाइम के बाद शी विल स्टार्ट रनिंग, शी विल स्टार्ट हुपिंग ऑन वन लेग और कैचिंग अ बॉल, है ना. दिस टास्क ऑल्सो इंक्लूड एक्टिविटीज दैट आर अ पार्ट ऑफ daily routine such as eating with one's own hand, washing one's own face, having a bath, dressing oneself, etc. Now, I was also once a child and I didn't knew these things. Because I learned every skill, because I had increased my efficiency, I am able to do everything now of my own. And now you might be not knowing how to do certain things because since you are a kid itself now, and but when you will go in your 9th 10th, you will learn each and everything. Mama will allow you to go in kitchen, she will allow you to do whatsoever you like. Okay. So slowly and steadily as the day passes, we learn new things and we develop our personality. Okay. Now, the next topic after skills and efficiency is development. Okay, so as we grow, our height and weight increases, and with age, our physical strength also increases. जैसे जैसे आपका एज इंक्रीज होगा ना, आपका जो फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ है बॉडी का, that will also increase. At the same time, we keep learning new skills. है ना. Now also you learn new skills when your maths teacher teaches you some lesson. You come to know new concepts. Now I am teaching you a new lesson on growth and personality development. Here you are getting to learn new skills. Your mama might be teaching you some skills, your dad might be teaching you some skills, your friends might be teaching you how to play a new game. So every day we learn new skills, and in this way every individual make progress and they grow, and this is only what we call as development. Okay. So the definition for development is important. You have to write it down in your notebook. Okay? Now observe in the picture and try to observe a cow or a cat to find out all that she does for her young ones, and also the things that the calf and the kitten learn to do on their own. Now what you have to do, you have to observe a cow or a cat. Okay? So you have to observe how the cat टेक्स केयर ऑफ देयर यंग्स वन. कैट अपने छोटे बच्चों का ध्यान कैसे रखती है. हाउ शी टीचेस द अदर कैट, द यंग वन, टू ईट, हाउ टू वॉक. शी टीचेस, and there are many things that the kitten knows when it was born itself. Okay. These animals learn from their mother the skills of obtaining their food. These animals, they learn from their mother, and what do they learn? How to get their food, how to protect themselves from the sun and the rain, because as we protect ourselves from sun and rain, these animals also protect themselves. So they learn all these things from their mother and from their enemies also. Now if it's a cat, other animal can come behind and for eating the cat, right? So the mother teaches them how to run away from their enemies and how to be safe and protective. Okay. After that, they begin to live independently. Once they know everything, how to obtain their food, how to protect themselves, how to protect themselves from the sun and the rain, from their enemies, they start living independently. Animals learn only a certain number of skills in their life. Okay. Animals don't learn many skills like us. We learn a new skill each and every single day, but animals don't learn many different types of skills. Okay. In comparison, human beings go on learning many more things throughout their life. So when you will become old, then also there will be things that you don't know. And see, because क्या हो रहा है, as we are going, हमारा जो generation है that is also growing. अभी जो आपके पेरेंट्स हैं, उनके जो पेरेंट्स हैं, दे डिडंट न्यू हाउ टू use a mobile phone, but now your parents and you know how to use mobile phone. But when you will become the parent, new technologies will come up, right? And then you have to learn that new technologies. So learning will never end. Even if you become old, even if you become 90 to 100 years of age, the learning will never stop. Okay, you have to find out how many years does it take the young ones of the tiger or elephant to start living independently. Independently मतलब क्या, वो अकेले कब रहना स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. Okay, young ones of tiger मतलब टाइगर का बेबी and elephant का बेबी, when they can start living independently. You have to find out this. Okay, and you have to compare. Can you play football, lagori or seven tiles, cook a meal, press clothes, shop for provisions, nurse a person who is ill? And you have to write a summary on it. ठीक है? So I think so you can play football, you can play lagori, you you might not be knowing how to cook. Mama might not be allowing you to press your clothes because you can burn your hands. Mama might not be allowing you to go out alone, right? You don't know how to take care of the person who is ill. So you have to write a short summary on it, about 6 to 7 lines. Okay, so we are all are allowed to drive a motor vehicle, vote in an election only after a certain age. So you can only vote in an election when you become 18 years of age, and you can drive a motor vehicle when you become 18 years of age. This is the age limit that is given. Before this age you cannot drive a motor vehicle and you cannot elect also. Okay, use your brain power. Many skills have been mentioned in the lesson up to now. Can you do without learning some of them? Without learning also, can you do those skills? And which ones are necessary for any of the person? So it is very necessary that the person knows how to eat, right? How to talk to others, how to maintain relationship with others. Okay, so there are many skills that we as a person should know. Okay, think about it. Which are some of the tasks you like to do and which ones would you like to do in future? Now, you being in 5th standard, which are the tasks you like to do and which are the tasks you don't know how to do but you will like to do it in the future? Yes, you have to write it down. So now the tasks that you might be liking to do is playing, right? And when it comes to task in future, you might be thinking you have to become a businessman, right? So this is your future task. This is just an example. Everybody might be having another suggestions, right? So what things would you like to do just for recreation? What do you do for recreating something? And what would you like to do daily when you grow up? Okay, so some of the early skills like walking and running come with age without having to be taught. So no one teaches you how to walk and how to run. It comes with your age. Okay, however, we have to be taught many of the skills we learn later. So running and walking need not to be taught to you, but there are various skills जो आपको बताना is very important in your future. So we learn many skills from our parents, from our teachers and from the other adults we know, है ना? हर एक इंसान आपको कुछ ना कुछ सिखाता है. Okay, so never ignore any of the person. Every person can give you information or knowledge. Okay, so the greater the number of skills we learn, the less is our dependence on others. अगर आपको बहुत सारे skills करने आते हैं तो आप दूसरों पे ज़्यादा dependent नहीं रहोगे, and this is the most important thing which will happen. We should not be dependent on others. Okay, we should know the skills so that we can do it on ourselves. Even so, if not, as if we do every one of our tasks ourselves. अब आप कितना भी सीख लो, आप हर एक टास्क खुद से नहीं कर सकते, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नॉट ऑल पीपल स्टिच देयर ओन क्लोथ्स. डू यू ऑल स्टिच योर ओन क्लोथ्स? नो, राइट? नॉर डज एवरीवन ग्रो देयर ओन फूड. Do you grow your own food? No, the farmers does this for you, right? But we must all learn to take the responsibility for doing our personal task ourselves. Now we are not stitching our clothes for ourselves, we are not cooking for ourselves, we are not growing our own food, but we should know and we should take the responsibility that we take care of the personal task. Okay, so even if you're not doing it, just take some knowledge on it, how to do it. Okay, because we should not be dependent on others, we should know how to complete our task on time and in a correct manner. Okay, now you have to use your brain power and you have to answer. Siley is in 6th standard, you are in 5th, and Siley is in 6th. Okay, and now Siley and all, they are going on a picnic, and Siley's eye is going to make laddus for the whole class, but she needs Siley's help. What can Siley do to help? Okay, Siley's mom, she is making laddus for the whole class because they are going for a picnic. Now, her mom is little busy, so she wants Siley to help her. So, what can Siley do to help her? She can bring all the thing at one place, right? If mama wants water, she can give her. If she wants any of the thing from the kitchen, she can help her. She can help her in packing the laddus for the class. She can let her know that this many students are there, right? Or she can, if her mother or her mama is making laddus, she can help her by doing the other works, like she can clean the hall, living room, she can clean the bedroom, she can keep her books on the proper place, she can pack her bag for the picnic, right? So there are many things you can do, and she can help her mama. Okay, so same way you can also help her mama in many of the different things, so that her workload becomes लेस. ओके, मम्मा को ज्यादा काम ना करना पड़े. ओके, सी, yes, I have put it in the bag. Did you take the list? See what is happening in this picture. This is Siley and this is her mama. Okay, now mama has given her Siley a list of things that need to be brought from the market for making the laddus. So now Siley is going in the market to bring all of the thing by making a list. Okay, so which of her skills will she use to help her mother? Which skill she will use here to help her mother? Because she is going to market, walking is also one of the skills she is having. She is walking and going, right? She is calculating the money the mama has given her. She is reading the list, right? She is writing the list. She is tasting. So these are various skills that Siley is using to help her mama. Okay, now the next topic in this lesson is heredity. This is the new word for you all, right? आपको पता है heredity क्या होता है? Heredity means transfer of characters from parents to offspring. Parents to offspring मतलब क्या? See, suppose your mama is good at cooking, so you are also good at cooking. Okay, if your mama is having brown hairs, you are also having brown hair. Okay, if your dad is having blue eyes, you are also having blue eyes. So why this happens? Because of the heredity. This is what we call as heredity. अभी जो आपके sisters और brothers होते हैं, they look somewhat similar to you, but your friends, they are totally different from you. Why this happens? Because of the heredity. Okay, now here one question is asked, how tall does one grow? How tall can you become? Can you reach the sky? No, right? There is a certain limit till we grow, and you know that our height grows till we are about 18 years or 18 years old. तो जब तक आप 18 years के होते हो तब तक ही आपकी हाइट बढ़ती है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ पीपल हु नो हु आर 18 और ओल्डर. ना आपको उनके बारे में सोचना है जिनको आप जानते हो, जिनकी एज 18 है या उससे ज्यादा है. ओके, सो ऑफ दिस पीपल, how many are very much taller or shorter than their parents? अब ये जो आप जिन लोगों को जानते हो जिनकी एज 18 है या उससे ज्यादा है, तो आप देखोगे कि कुछ चिल्ड्रंस जो होते हैं दे आर टॉलर देन देयर पेरेंट्स, कुछ दे आर शॉर्टर देन देयर पेरेंट्स, राइट? सो आवर लुक्स, our build and other physical characteristic like are like those of our parents. हमारी जो height होती है वो sometime हमारे parents जितनी होती है. If our parents are tall, we are also tall. If they are not tall, we will also become not become so tall. Okay? If they are if they have some of the characteristic, physical characteristic, मतलब दिखने में उनका height, उनका eyes color, उनका hair color, ओके, सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स आपके जैसे सिमिलैरिटीज होती है, राइट? सो पीपल ऑफ वन फैमिली शो सिमिलैरिटीज इन मेनी वेज. अभी अगर कोई आपके घर पे गेस्ट आता है, व्हाट डज दे टेल यू? यू आर लुकिंग एग्जैक्टली लाइक योर मदर, और इफ यू आर अ बॉय यू आर लुकिंग एग्जैक्टली लाइक योर फादर. ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं? दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द हेरिडिटी. इसलिए अगर आपके पापा का ब्राउन आईज है, you will also get brown eyes. If your mother is having brown hairs, you will also get brown hair. This is all because of the heredity. Okay, so some of our features or traits are like those of our grandparents or our parents sibling. ठीक है, तो कुछ हमारे पास ऐसे ट्राइट आते हैं, जैसे कि अभी सपोज आपका ब्लू आईज हो गया है एंड योर फादर डिडंट हैड ब्लू आईज बट योर ग्रैंडमा हैड. तो इट मीन्स from where you have got this blue eyes, you have got it from your grandma. Okay, that is why sometimes people who know them recognize us even if they have never met us before. अभी अगर आप कोई वेडिंग में जाते हो एंड आपने किसी को देखा नहीं है, ठीक है, आपकी जो भी रिलेटिव्स है आप उनको, आपने कभी उनको देखा नहीं है, आप कभी मिले नहीं हो, फिर भी दे टेल यू कि आप उनके बेटे हो ना. Why they can recognize you? Because you look similar to your parents because of this heredity. Okay, you will come to know about this heredity concept, which is a very interesting concept in your future. Means in your 9th and 10th standard you will have a lesson on it and you will come to know a lot of detailed information there. Okay, see, being born with certain features or traits in common with the members of our family is heredity. कॉमन फीचर्स के साथ एंड ट्राइट्स के साथ हम अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के सेम दिखते हैं ना, तो इसको ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? हेरिडिटी. एंड इसको क्या किस वजह से होता है? दिस इज द इनहेरिटेड ट्राइड, बिकॉज ये आपको आपके पेरेंट्स से आया है. सी, इफ दिस इज यू, आई एम राइटिंग यू, ओके, दिस इज यू, तो आपको कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कहाँ से मिले हैं? आपके पेरेंट्स से. आपके पेरेंट्स को कहाँ से मिला है? उनके पेरेंट्स से. उनके पेरेंट को कहाँ से मिला है? उनके पेरेंट से. एंड व्हेन यू विल हैव योर चाइल्ड, उनको कहाँ से मिलेगा? फ्रॉम यू. ओके, दिस विल बी योर चाइल्ड. सो दिस इज हाउ ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स आर ट्रांसमिटेड. एक चेन के थ्रू सारे कैरेक्टर्स ट्रांसमिट होते हैं पूरे जनरेशन में, और इसको ही हम क्या बोलते हैं? बिकॉज योर पेरेंट्स हैव गॉट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट, इसलिए इसको हम बोलते हैं इनहेरिटेड कैरेक्टर्स. एंड आपके पेरेंट से आप तक क्या आया है? इनहेरिटेड ट्राइट्स. ओके, however, even though many of our traits are like those of our family members, no one has any control over the traits which will inherited and which will not. तो ये कोई कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकता कि अभी सपोज आपके डैड का ब्लू आईज है, ओके, तो ही कैन नॉट कंट्रोल कि आपका भी ब्लू आईज हो या ना हो. इट इज not dependent on the parents. Okay, these are the hereditary processes which occur. It is not dependent on anyone. And ऐसा भी ज़रूरी भी नहीं है कि सारे कैरेक्टर्स आगे फ्यूचर जनरेशन्स में आएंगे ही. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट हेरिडिटी इज डिफाइंड एज. पासिंग ऑफ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक from parents to the offspring is heredity. Can you see? This is the father and this is the mother, and this is how the child looks like. So doesn't his face matches with the father and mother? Yes, they are matching somewhat. So this is what heredity means: transfer of characters from parents to the offspring. Okay, see, you have to read it and reflect. An industrialist had worked hard to expand his business. He had 3 assistants. ठीक है, एक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट था जिसको अपना बिजनेस एक्सपांड करना था, ग्रो करना था, इसलिए उसके पास 3 असिस्टेंट है. ओके, He conducted an experiment to decide whom to make the head of his factory after he retired. आपको पता है सब लोग एक एज के बाद they get retired and they take rest, and ये रिटायरमेंट का एज 60 years होता है most of the time. तो उसके पहले उसके पास 3 असिस्टेंट थे, एंड नाउ ही इज थिंकिंग कि वो किसी को फैक्ट्री हेड बना दे, एंड फॉर दैट नाउ ही इज कंडक्टिंग एन एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, व्हाट द इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट डिड इज उसने 5 लाख रुपीस तीनों के हाथ में दे दिया, एंड उनको बोला कि आप इस पैसे से कुछ अच्छा करो, जो भी आपको करना है, पर कोई अच्छा करना. ओके, सो 1 साल बाद ही कॉल्ड देम, उसने तीनों असिस्टेंट को बुलाया, एंड ही आस्क्ड देम टू रिपोर्ट हाउ दे हैड यूज्ड द मनी. 1 साल बाद उन्होंने उनको पूछा कि आप, मैंने जो 5 लाख दिए थे आपको, आपने उसका यूज कैसे किया है. ओके, सी, फर्स्ट असिस्टेंट ने क्या बोला, आई हैव केप्ट द मनी सेफ, इट कैन नॉट फॉल इनटू एनीवन्स हैंड, आई कैन ब्रिंग इट बैक टू यू व्हेनेवर यू से. ओके, तो पहले वाले असिस्टेंट ने क्या किया, वो मनी को सेफली डिपॉजिट कर दिया है, सो दैट व्हेनेवर द इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट विल आस्क हिम टू ब्रिंग द मनी बैक, ही कैन गिव इट बैक. ओके, तो एक तरह से इसने सेफली रख दिया है पैसे को. नाउ व्हाट द सेकंड असिस्टेंट डिड इज, दिस ईयर आई डबल द अमाउंट ऑफ द ईयरली बोनस वी गेव आवर वर्कर्स. तो इसने क्या किया, यू नो वर्कर्स जो काम करते हैं इंडस्ट्रीज में, फैक्ट्रीज में, उनको ईयर में एक बार बोनस दिया जाता है, मतलब एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट. बोनस मीन्स एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट विच इज गिवन टू द वर्कर्स. ओके, तो ये जो सेकंड असिस्टेंट था उसने क्या किया, जो वर्कर्स वहां पे काम करते हैं उनका जो एक्स्ट्रा पेमेंट था उसको डबल कर दिया. सो आई गेव देम ऑल अ फीस्ट, ऑल द वर्कर्स वर वेरी हैप्पी, आई थिंक आई यूज द मनी रियली वेल. तो सेकेंड वर्कर ने क्या किया, उनको खाना खिला दिया एंड उनका बोनस डबल कर दिया विद द मनी. Okay, now let's see what the third assistant have done. With the part of money you gave, I bought a better machine, so our production grew 5-fold. तो ये थर्ड वाले असिस्टेंट ने क्या किया, उसने उससे नई मशीन लेके आई ताकि इनका काम जो है वो 5 गुना ज़्यादा हो सके. Our product is also of better quality and demand for it has also grown. So this third assistant, इसने अपने कंपनी में मशीन लाया जिसके वजह से क्वालिटी इंक्रीज हो गई, एंड इनके प्रोडक्ट का जो भी प्रोडक्ट ये अपने इंडस्ट्रीज में बना रहे थे उसकी डिमांड भी बढ़ गई. ओके, सो दिस थर्ड असिस्टेंट हैज यूज्ड हिज मनी फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ कंपनी. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, which of the assistant has done a good job or was right with the use of money? आपको क्या लगता है तीनों में से सबसे अच्छा काम किसने किया है? Obviously this third assistant. Okay, so we made a profit of 25 lakh in just about 8 months. This was told by the third assistant. Third assistant ने क्या बोला कि उसने 25 lakhs का profit बनाया है. 5 lakhs say now he has earned 25 lakhs in 8 months. So I used 10 lakhs to build a canteen that the workers needed. अब 25 lakhs का profit था. See, I'm writing here, okay? 5 lakh से कितना बन गया? 25 lakh का profit. Okay? So how did he use this 25 lakh? 10 lakh का उसने canteen बना दिया. Okay? For the workers because the workers needed it. और 5 लाख उसने वर्कर्स वेलफेयर फंड होता है उसमें डाल दिया. ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो नीडेड बाय द वर्कर्स. ठीक है, एंड आई थिंक आई शैल यूज द रिमेनिंग 10 lakh to buy one more machine, and the 10 lakh that is remaining he is going to buy a new machine with that. Okay, so now you can easily guess who the industrialist choose as his successor. Industrialist उसमें किसको चूज करने वाला है? फर्स्ट असिस्टेंट, सेकंड असिस्टेंट या थर्ड असिस्टेंट को? ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज थर्ड असिस्टेंट ने प्रॉफिट लाया है एंड ही इज इनटू ग्रोइंग हिज बिजनेस, सो द industrialist will be choosing the third assistant. So what is the moral of the story that you got from this? We have to use our money wisely and we have to always think about the growth ओके, ग्रोथ देखना है हमें. वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट अदर्स ऑल्सो. वेन एवर यू आर डूइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ बिजनेस, you have to see to it that the workers you have, they are happy with the things that you do for them. Okay, then you have to give your customers a good supply, you have to give a quality to them, right? So we have to make use of our money wisely, and we have to make use so that even the other person who are working with you, they are also getting benefited. Okay, so what for better personal development, we inherit the ability to learn many skills. So making our personality better, we have to develop the ability, we have to inherit the ability, so that we can learn many skills and we can grow. So the growing age is the time to recognize these abilities and to develop our skills. Now, which is your time? आपका अभी टाइम है क्या कि यू हैव टू स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस? इज दिस द राइट टाइम फॉर यू? नो, दिस इज नॉट द राइट टाइम for you to start a business. This is the growing age that you are having, and in this age you have to find out your abilities, which what are the abilities that you are having, and what skills can you develop and can make your future into. Okay, so developing our skills, it helps us to live us an independent, useful and enriching life. So if you will find out your abilities and if you will develop your abilities, you will live an independent, useful and enriching life. Okay, so never forget to develop and identify your abilities. Okay, see, the next topic in this is a good diet. Okay, you know that the food is necessary for our growth, है ना? मम्मा आपके पीछे पड़ी हुई होती है, बेटा drink milk, eat green vegetables, eat fruits, right? However, in certain circumstances, a growing child does not get the various food constituents in adequate proportion. Now we have learned about the food constituents, and हमने देखा food के अंदर vitamins होता है, right? फैट्स होता है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है, राइट? दिस आर द वेरियस फूड कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स जो हमें अपने खाने से लेना चाहिए. बट बीन इन टू अ ग्रोइंग एज, बीन अ ग्रोइंग चाइल्ड, हम ये सारी चीज़ें ले नहीं पाते अपने फूड से. सो दिस लीड्स टू माल न्यूट्रिशन. आपका बॉडी अच्छे से डेवलप नहीं करता, आपका ग्रोथ नहीं हो पाता अच्छे से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ पर्सन डज नॉट ग्रो एज टॉल एज they would have been because they are malnourished, because they are not getting the adequate proportion of the food, right? So even if such a person gets a good diet, later on it is of no use for the growth of the body. अगर आपने बाद में अच्छी डाइट लेना चालू की आफ्टर योर ग्रोइंग एज, so it will not be of any use for the growth of your body. Okay, so this is the right age where you have to take a good diet and you have to develop your personalities, you have to identify your abilities. Okay, other factors that support the growth and development along with nutrition, food, adequate exercise is also necessary for the growth and development. Okay, so along with the nutritious food, adequate exercise is also necessary for your growth and development. If you are not exercising, it will affect your growth adversely. So because this is your growing age, your height will increase, your weight will increase, you should do more and more of the cycling. आपको आपके पापा एंड मम्मा बोलते होंगे ना, right? So one must also be careful to study well. So along with all these things, you have to study well. Okay, you have to avoid addiction. You have to avoid addiction means you don't have to go into smoking, drinking alcohol. So you have to avoid all those things and their ill effects. You have to develop more and more hobbies of reading books, of developing a certain skill, taking part in sports and learning new skills. Okay, and if we take care to do all these things, it leads to a good development of ourselves. Okay, so whether being a boy or a girl, each person has every right to get the opportunity to make progress and enrich their own life. So whether you are a girl or you are a boy, we all are equal, right? So each of us have the opportunity and have the right to develop our skill and enrich our own life. Okay, see, each one of us have unique personality, है ना? सबकी personality अलग है. The people you know, they are also having a unique personality. हम सब अलग दिखते हैं, राइट? एंड इन योर क्लास देयर मस्ट बी सम चिल्ड्रन हु आर गुड इन स्टडीज व्हाइल अदर्स आर गुड एट गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स. तो सबकी पर्सनालिटी अलग है, सबकी एबिलिटीज अलग होती हैं, राइट? तो कुछ स्टडीज में अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ गेम्स में अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ दे सिंग वेल, एंड सम लाइक टू एक्ट और play. So we all are having different abilities, and this is the correct age at which you should realize and you should find out the ability and you should develop your skill. Okay, so every person is different from all others. Our physical and mental makeup is not the same as that of anyone else. हमारा जो physical है, अभी when you see this picture, every person is looking different, right? Been wearing the same thing, they are looking different. Why? Because हमारा physical as well as हमारा mental makeup हम सबका अलग होता है. Every personality develops through our interest and efforts. Interest and efforts means what things you like to do and what you practice every day. Okay, so this develops your personality well, and during the growing years we also learn to tell what is good and what is bad. जैसे जैसे हम grow करते हैं, we come to know what is good for us and what is bad for us, and we take a stand for it, right? So every personality can be said to be excellent only when we put good thoughts into practice. ठीक है, सारी पर्सनालिटी एक्सीलेंट कब होगी? जब आप उस पर अच्छी सोच रखोगे एंड यू प्रैक्टिस इट एवरी डे. ओके, see, always remember, we do not learn good values only to write about them in the exams. So the lesson you have got in this is कि हमने जो भी good values पढ़ी है आज तक, okay, respecting your parents, respecting the relatives, respecting the members who come and visit your family, respecting your teachers, these are the good values that we are having. Okay, so we are not only learning them for writing them in the exam, we have to implement them in our behavior. They must be reflected in our behavior. Okay, so always remember this thing. So what we have learned in this lesson, growth and personality development, we learned that we grow in height and weight right from the birth till we reach adulthood, that is 18 years or more, right? 18 years तक हमारी height and weight जो है वो grow करती है, from the time we are born to the time we become adulthood. So a newborn baby cannot do things for itself, right? And we learn many skills from our parents, teachers and others. We see similarities in the people of the same family. Okay, in your family there might be many similarities, and when you go and visit your friend's family, everyone there might be different, right? So even so, every person is unique. Be it a family, कुछ कुछ similarities होगी, पर उनमें भी सारे person, every people is unique. The more the skill we learn, the less we depend on others. जितने ज़्यादा skills आप खुद के लिए learn करोगे, you will be less dependent on others for that. Okay, and we can live an independent, useful and enriched life with the help of the skills. Now why there is a need for learning skills? Because you can live your life independently, your life will be useful for others, and you will have an enriched life with that. Okay, so we are done with the lesson growth and personality development here, and I hope so that you have understood each and every topic which have been covered in this lesson. We will just do a quick revision of the things that we learned in this lesson. Okay, so we started with the topic skills and efficiency, and we saw how important it is to develop certain skills, and by developing the skills we are developing our efficiency to do the work more precisely, right? Then we studied about development, we studied about heredity, we studied about one of the experiment, and we came to know that we should be very much precise. मतलब हमें बहुत सोच समझ कर we have to take our decision, and we have to think about growth always. Okay, and we have to have a good diet for maintaining our personality for the growth purpose also. Okay, and we studied that each and every person is having a unique identity, right? So this is what we have studied in this lesson, growth and personality development. Thank you everyone.